decided to make my own salt. I've been inspired by other people and I've decided if you want to control what you're making, you have to be in control of all the ingredients. And one of the essential parts of that is gourmet salt. Fortunately, we live very close to the coast and I've able to procure these litres of salt water. Salt water is a very dangerous item. 3 times the salinity of human blood. 1 pint of salt water is enough to kill a human. But we're going to take you through it step by step and produce your own salt. So the first stage of any good salt production is make sure you have good quality salt water. Now I've got this from what is hopefully a clean source in the North Atlantic or very close to it in Loch Swilly. It looks fairly pure at the moment. I've let it settle overnight so any of the heavier debris will sink to the bottom. Just to try and filter out any organic material, we're going to pour it through this tea cloth.
Surprisingly, at this point I had to go to the toilet, and if anybody can explain that phenomenon to me when people have to go to the toilet after listening to run water, then sure, leave it in the comments. But basically you pour it into the pot, turn on the heat, it'll evaporate, and eventually at the end of a process you should end up with some nice salt.
So this is a couple of days later. We've been boiling this on and off, not boiling, kind of anytime I was in the house I was turning it on, leaving it for an hour or so, but it's actually 3 days later. And we've been kind of letting it kind of evaporate naturally from the water, but basically, essentially we boiled it down or rendered it down, and we've got this now like salt basically, but there's still a wee bit of moisture left in the pan, so we're just going to transfer it now into this dish and then bake it in the oven. So surprising amount of sea salt there for 10 litres. And I got the confirmed these, it's very good, very high quality salt. Good crystal-like structure to it and very salty taste of it. Exceptional actually. So it's going to be really nice with anything like an egg or a tomato or something. It's going to be delicious. But there's still a bit of moisture there. We're just going to evaporate off the rest of it, and then we're going to have our salt. And it's amazing. It's probably the nicest thing I've cooked so far, confirmed at this stage.